Hello guys, once again. Sorry for the delayed video. In this video, we are going to see about how can we use default touch sensors which is available in ASP32 using ASP IDF framework. To use these sensors, we don't need any external peripherals as such. We can use ASP32 development board or ASP32 chip standalone circuit itself. We can see few practical use cases for ESP32 touchpads where we can enable touch detection capability to your project. We can design touch switches as well, and we can enable the trackpad capability if you want. And this is integrated keypad without any external peripherals. This is very cost effective as it doesn't warrant any external peripherals and readily available with all the libraries also. In ESP32, we have 10 different touch sensors which is mapped to all GPIOs as follows: T0 to GPIO4 and respectively T9 to 32KXP. We will start with main function. These are the steps that we follow. Step 1 is to initialize all the touchpads. It will initialize all the GPIO inputs correspondingly to support the touch. And here we have setting the minimum threshold for touch high volt and touch low volt and touch volt attention. Okay, here you guys can see the calculation based on which the values has been arrived, and we are initiating the table that we are going to store all the states of each touchpad. And this is the global variable that we have introduced here as hash defined, based on which whether we have enabled the filtered read or not, based on which filtration process will start. And finally, we have a task to read each and every GPIO pin, and it will recognize the touch and its value correspondingly. Here is where we can see something in action. This is the building part, and it will take around 2 minutes to build completely. Once the build is complete, we can upload the firmware into the device. So the command is follows: make flash monitor DSP port, which port you want to upload into, and it's still uploading. Here we see the readings from T0 to T9. These are the reference voltages that we see, and when you touch any sensor, the voltage will get reduced, by which we can identify which sensor is getting touched. Here you guys can see T2 and T3 are touched, and once I take out my hand out of the sensors, you can see the reference voltage becomes higher. Likewise, T8 and T9 now, and now T6, T5 and T7.